Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is 不好意思. I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. So let's read together. 不好意思. When you pay attention, 思 you need to lightly. 不好意思. Very good. So read after me. 不喝熬好意思 is lightly. 不好意思. Very good. Now, show me your finger. Let's write together. We already know how to write 不 and 好, so I will do very quickly. Follow me. 不好. Now let's write the E and 思. E and 思.不好意思. Very good. Now, how we use it? 不好意思 have a lot of meaning. Today, I will teach you 4 common ones. First one, it means excuse me. When you want to ask somebody some question or when you ask somebody to help you, so you just can say 不好意思. For example, excuse me, can I borrow your pen? 不好意思，可以借你的笔吗? The second meaning is when you feel guilty to somebody, you can say 不好意思. For example, if you forget to bring something to somebody, you can say 不好意思，我忘记了. Sorry, I'm forget. But here the sorry is not means you do something wrong. It just means you feel guilty to somebody. So you can say 不好意思. And the third meaning is embarrassed. Sometimes I'm so shy. I'm talking to you before the camera. I feel a little bit shy. I feel a little bit embarrassed. I can say, I have a little bit embarrassed. 我有点不好意思. 我有点不好意思. And the first meaning is when somebody asks you to something, it's quite hard for you. For some reason, you cannot say no to them. For example, if your boss asks you to buy a coffee for him, can you say no? I guess no. So you will say 不好意思拒绝. 不好意思拒绝. It means for some reason, it's quite hard for you to say cannot do something for somebody. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Mm-hmm.